Here it is. It's the '07 6-liter. Picked up for $4,000. Body's pretty good shape. It's got small stuff in it like this. A little bit of bubbling in the wheel wells. We get that taken out. The nasty part is with it is oh, hold on. The interior is pretty nasty. Gotta use this as a work truck, so things like this are coming up. And I know a guy that's got seats for sale though, so I'll probably just get all new seats and clean up the interior as best as I can. It's an XL package, so it's pretty basic. But, yeah, the main problem is the motor. It's not really too big of a problem for us, though, because my dad's pretty good working on 6 liters, so